investing in a lead management service. So this is where we come in. I might be a little bit partial to my team. I have a group of 9 stay-at-home moms. They do a really fantastic job. So if you get to the place where you find that your practice is just too busy, I worked in a clinic for 2 years as their marketing director. And when we first started, it was just the doctor and I. And I tell this story a lot because front desk is not really my job. That's not really what I was hired to do. But, just starting out, it was all hands on deck and we both kind of did a lot of things. And for the first few weeks, it was okay. But the more patients I started bringing in, I was like, uncle, I cry uncle, I can't do this anymore. It just becomes a lot, right? Like you want them to be attentive to the people walking in the door and being welcoming, showing new people how to sign in, getting new patient forms filled out, having them, sit down in the waiting room or letting them know how long until their appointment is. The phone's ringing, they're getting charts back to you. There's just a lot going on. So when I say that we got to get on top of that lead immediately, how is that going to happen if they are doing all the other things that they're supposed to be doing? So that's where someone like my team really comes into play. And we do a really phenomenal job. We are available 24/7, which makes a huge difference. And it just reduces the stress from your team that is working the front desk, really just keeping everything organized within your 4 walls. We do follow up with leads very quickly. My team works 24/7, so we're available nights and weekends, which even if you have an amazing front office staff, they're not, they're there 40 hours a week. And nights and weekends actually get pretty busy. So we see about 42 to 46% of leads coming in during that time. So allowing your front desk to focus on their tasks, like we talked about. I will say that more patients we see more patients who are less stressed because we are not hurrying them through the conversation. We're easy to talk to. We connect with them, find out what they have going on. And it really just improves your efficiency and reduces workload for your dedicated staff. And then, you have a dedicated person who's your lead management person. Really just having the aces in the places and keeping everybody in their lane. So if you're looking at getting ready to boost your new patient conversions, we work with a lot of different marketing agencies. We started as one, so we have a really good understanding about how ads run. We can stay in contact with them and make sure that, there's a healthy flow of leads and everything, but you're already paying for those leads. So we'd love to help maximize the amount of patients that are coming in off of those. Thank you for listening to a little bit about how we can help you. And if you're interested in booking a call, I think there's probably a link below here that you can click and get on my calendar. I look forward to meeting you. Bye-bye.